Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make steak cheese sauce only way. Melt butter in a skillet, add garlic and brown steak for flavor. Pour cream, reduce slightly, then stir in grated cheddar until smooth. Season with salt, black pepper, and smoked paprika. Finish with a squeeze of lemon and rest the sauce briefly before serving over steak for best texture and flavor. Warm and friendly, talk through ingredients and why they matter. Use 2 tablespoons butter, 1 clove garlic, 1 cup heavy cream, and 1 cup grated cheddar. Choose aged cheddar for sharper flavor or mild for creamier sauce. Add salt and pepper to taste, and consider a 1 teaspoon mustard for depth. Keep everything nearby so cooking flows without pauses, and you can finish the sauce while steak rests and enjoy. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. On another note, upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum for hands-free floor care, voice control, and smarter cleaning while you cook. It's a handy helper for crumbs and grease splatters and saves time on cleanup. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks everyone, and now let's get back to the video. Technique matters for silky texture, so use low heat and patience. After browning steak, remove meat and deglaze pan with a splash of stock or wine, scraping brown bits. Reduce cream gently until it coats the spoon, then add cheese off heat to prevent graininess. Stir constantly and taste for seasoning. Let sauce rest a minute to thicken, then spoon over sliced steak and garnish with chopped parsley and serve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.